The Surf Blue Sport Band from Apple. It came out March 2018 along with other spring colors and styles. It's $49 at Apple and works with any generation Apple Watch, depending on size. I'll be giving you my honest review, matching watch faces, and what to wear it with, so you see if it works for you or not. Give this video a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. By the way, that other box is a matching Surf Blue iPhone case from Apple. Link for that review in my description below. Let's open it. After sliding in both ends with a metal piece on the inside, you can choose which hole to buckle. Insert the non-buckle end over and under the other end, and you're set. Surf Blue is rich and vibrant. It will definitely give your Apple Watch a new personality. Compared to past generations of blue bands, it's definitely the one that pops out the most. The material is like a high-quality rubber, which makes it not so breathable, but it's easy to clean and dry. I don't mind sweating in it during my workouts. This band is light, and I leave it on while I shower, swim, wash dishes, for example. But if I really want to clean it, soap and water does the trick. I prefer Apple sport bands because you can just feel the quality compared to third-party bands that break really easily. It's fun to change up the watch faces depending on your activity and style. There are so many watch faces that match Surf Blue. My favorite is Infograph Modular because it looks good with multiple colors and it displays all my info, which shows you how other multicolor watch faces work with it too. And you can match the color of the face to Surf Blue to match it exactly. Sometimes I already have blue, like astronomy and time-lapse, or analogous colors like Siri that has purple. Otherwise I choose a neutral color like black and white, gray like these animated faces, or complement with a speck of red. Sport bands are made for activewear. I find myself wearing it with more neutral colors since it's already intense. Mostly with black, and sometimes with gray. White if I want something light. Wear too much blue with it and it gets a little flat, so I add it to different spots here and there. It's solid, so patterns work with it too. You know, you see a lot of people wearing sport bands with casual wear. It just works. You have even more variety. Wear them with your jeans and they look good. Complement it for more colorful personality. Graphic shirts and layers look good. Feel free to mix, match, and color block to your personality. In conclusion, I highly recommend this if you want to add a bright, happy color to your watch. I really like this band, especially with a matching case. It just takes the experience to another level. I found myself wearing it a lot, but I wish Apple made a new kind of sport band, not just a new color. I mean, they've had the same style for the last few years. What do you think? Is it time for a new style? Comment your thoughts below. I hope this helped. If it did, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.